Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be waxing my armpit for the first time ever, and it is going to be pain-free.
I mean, where the f should I really even start?
I know you're probably thinking, Giselle, how can a waxing be pain-free? I know I hear all these claims that waxings are pain-free, but in reality, they never are. I've never had a wax that didn't hurt until I found something that made it not hurt. You know that pain you feel as soon as they rip off the strip? You're just like, oh my god, my soul just left my body. Have you ever ripped off a band-aid? When you rip it off, you're like, ah, but it goes away pretty fast. That's the kind of pain that I'm going to be experiencing in this video. The only type of waxes I've ever gotten myself have been my eyebrows, my upper lip, and my treasured area. Out of all of those, the treasured area is definitely the most painful experience, especially the lips. Like, girl, I don't know about anybody else, but when they wax your lips, it's like, no. I actually made the switch about 2 years ago to sugaring, and I used this product before for Brazilian, and when I tell you, when she ripped that sugar wax off of my lips, I did not cry out in pain. I did not shiver. I did not start to sweat profusely. This stuff is magical. So what I am talking about is this Uber Numb Maximum Strength Cream that I got from Amazon. This stuff numbs whatever body part you wish for it to numb. Now that being said, this is a disclaimer. Do not ingest this. Do not put this all over large parts of your body. Do not put this in your vagina. There is a trick to using this, and if you want to try your own sugaring at home like I'm about to do, or whenever the world decides to open up again and we can go back to our sugaring professionals or our wax professionals, you can use this and you will not feel anything. Put this on at least 2 to 3 hours before your appointment. 2, use some wrap to kind of wrap the area so it keeps the heat and it penetrates into your pores and can allow the numbing effects to begin. 3, make sure you reapply once every hour. I've never waxed my armpits, I've always just shaved. I made my own DIY wax. I watched this video on YouTube. I'll leave the video linked down below so you guys can watch it as well if you want to make it at home. I used these ingredients right here. I used a lemon. I only had to squeeze 1 lemon to get out 2 tablespoons. I used regular white sugar. She said you could use any kind of sugar, but I went white. Also water, and then I heated it in 30-second intervals for about at least 6 minutes. That varies based on the wattage of your microwave. To see a more thorough breakdown of how to make it and the ingredients, I'll leave the link down below. As you've already seen, I have done the numbing cream. I still have some on my pits right now. So I'm going to wipe it off with a damp cloth, and then I am going to apply some baby powder to absorb any oils or sweat. So I'm a little nervous. I know it's not going to be painful because of this cream, but I never waxed my armpits, so I'm a little nervous, I can't lie. But anybody in the comments that tries to play me like, ew, armpit hair. Do you think women aren't born with armpit hair? If you really can't deal with armpit hair, then you probably shouldn't be watching this video. Like, why did you click on it anyways? This is about 3 weeks of growth right here. In one of her videos, which I will also link down below, she mentions that when you are waxing, you have to follow the direction of the hair. So my hair is, I guess it's like a normal armpit, where some of the hairs grow down and some of them grow up. So you have to wax in 2 different directions. I need to mold it upwards. And then she says to keep it taut. So for some reason my wax isn't waxing. So I'm gonna try to apply a strip and see how that works out. A little bit more wax. And it got stuck. Oh. I don't know if this paper was the best. Is it getting my armpit hair? It's such a mess. So this is what my pit is looking like right now. It looks crazy. But I will say though that the cream is definitely helping, because I feel like, especially with me messing up this much, I would be in serious pain. Like, I kind of do feel it tingling right now, and I know it's definitely red. So let me see if I can try to remove the rest of this with a wax strip. A wax strip. You hear me? With a paper towel. Bitch, it's almost gone! I still have some hair. See? So I'm gonna put a little bit more wax. I think I was supposed to pull the other way. Look at my fails. That little bit of hair doesn't want to go. I'm kind of not failing, but I'm also failing, and the sunlight is going down, so if the lighting in this video looks off, that's why. That hair right there is just super stubborn. Do you see that? Why doesn't this hair want to go? I still have hair over here. Still have hair coming down here. So I'm gonna try to remove the hair up here again. Hopefully this will help. Otherwise, it's back to shaving for me. We're getting there. We're getting there. Like, I know my armpit is throbbing, but I don't feel it throbbing. It's insane. I'm almost clean, girl. Look at this. Look at this pit. When the numbing effects do wear off, and I do feel this, I know it's going to hurt like a bitch. I look like a hot mess. I look like I just ran a marathon. In reality, I've just been waxing my pits in the bathroom. My camera got too hot. It couldn't handle all of what was going on here. It shut off. Couldn't finish filming me doing this, but I'm gonna show you what this looks like. I did start doing this side too, but I am experiencing the same kind of issues I experienced on this side. And I'm wondering if it's because I've never waxed my armpits and these hairs are just really stubborn, or maybe my technique sucks. Maybe the strips I'm using suck. So this is the first armpit that I started, but as you can see, there's still some hairs up here and also these hairs right here. So it is a little red, but I don't feel any pain because, like I said, that cream works wonders. This is the pit I started off camera because my camera died. As you can see, I got off most of the hair. This hair right here on the bottom, stubborn as well. I'm trying to get this one off, and then also right here is super stubborn, doesn't want to come off either, but I'm gonna keep trying. I can't give that cream enough credit because if it wasn't for that cream, the first time I ripped that strip off, my ass would have been like, video's over. Thanks for watching, bye. I think I am done. I was not able to remove all of the hair like I would have liked, but I think I did a pretty good job considering this my first time ever using a homemade sugar wax and also ever waxing my armpits in general. So I'm gonna show you guys my armpits. Is that a weird thing to say? This is the armpit that I started off with. As you can see, it is still red and there are still some hairs over here. This is the right armpit and there are still some hairs down here as well as some little hairs in this section right here. I can't seem to remove them for some reason. I've tried every which way, and at this point I don't want to cause too much stress to my skin, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. The Uber Numb Cream, honestly, this is a lifesaver. I got the 2 ounce, but I'm definitely gonna get the 4 ounce because I need this in my life, especially for when it's time for me to get that down there situated. This video is not sponsored. I will leave the link to the product down below, and it will be an affiliate link. So if you do purchase through my link, I do get a small commission. There's no price change for you. It just helps support a girl and get another bottle of this, so my next waxing I won't be in pain. I'll leave that link down below. If you have a suggestion for another video that you would like me to do, please be sure to leave a comment down below. Give this video a like so I know you guys like to see me in pain. Follow me on my social media handles. I'll leave them somewhere on this screen. As always, thank you all so much for watching this video, for watching any of my videos, and I will see you all on the next one with nicer looking armpits.